So we booked a deluxe garden room. We're in 3810 and we're up by the Oasis pool. If you want to go to the infinity pool or anywhere, you can just dial reception number 7 and they get you a buggy up there. But I mean, this is an amazing room. It's huge. It's nice and cool. Air conditioning is easy, just on and off. Wardrobe, and then shelves the other side in a safe. They're all really, really friendly at this hotel. I came here 15 years ago and I'm really glad to be back. And I'm sure I'll come again at some point in the future. I love the hotel, I love being by the Nile, hearing the sound of the prayers.